talk about Ostwald process of preparing nitric acid. So, there are 3 steps, One in catalytic chamber, second in oxidation chamber, and third in absorption tower. We'll show you the graphically also. Now, first, let's see what are the reactants. The ammonia and air mixture is the reactant. It is passed into the catalytic chamber. Catalytic chamber has a much higher ratio of air. Ammonia to air will be 1:10. Now, why is a higher ratio of air followed? Air is used in all the 3 main reactions में use होगा the manufacture of nitric acid. Catalytic, oxidation, absorption, 3 जगह में air चाहिए. So air का quantity has to rise. Only about 21% or 1/5 by volume of air is oxygen. We need basically the oxygen, so we have to use a large amount of air to get the required amount of oxygen. So the first part of the reaction takes place in the catalytic chamber. Catalytic chamber, the catalyst uses platinum gauze. It is only initially heated, and then the reaction is ammonia plus oxygen in presence of platinum gauze at 800 degrees Celsius will give you nitric oxide water and 21.5 kilocalories of energy. Since the reaction is exothermic, the electrical heating is done initially only. The heat which is evolved maintains the required temperature of the reaction. This is the first part. The second part is the oxidation chamber. Jo gases will leave the catalytic chamber as are passed through the cooling part. Cooling coils before entering they are passed through cooling coils, then they enter the oxidation chamber. Now the gases are mainly nitric oxide, steam and residual oxygen. 700 to 800 में रहता है degree Celsius में. Then they are passed through a heat exchanger and through cooling coils which cools the gases to around 7 to 800 से 50 degree Celsius में ले आते हैं. In the oxidation chamber, the catalytic oxidation of nitric oxide, then catalytic chamber में nitric oxide is changed into nitrogen dioxide में change हो जाता है. Here, by combining with excess oxygen से combine होके at 50 degree Celsius में. So now forms nitrogen dioxide. Now, why low temperatures are used? Because they facilitate easy oxidation of nitric oxide to nitrogen dioxide and minimizes the chance of any decomposition of nitrogen dioxide. Then it's the absorption tower. The third part takes place in the absorption tower. Absorption tower क्या है? It's a steel tower filled with quartz stone से भरा हुआ है and water spray is trickled there. The gases, that is nitrogen dioxide or जो residual oxygen था, move upwards and their water is present. So water, basically nitrogen dioxide, water and oxygen are reacted in order to form the nitric acid. HNO3. Quartz can be used because it is acid resistant. That's why quartz is packed in layers because it slows down the movement of the gaseous NO2 entering from below and initiating a better solvation of nitrogen dioxide होगा in water में. So the product is dilute nitric acid which is collected at the base of the absorption tower में लिया जाता है. It is dilute, it has 50% nitric acid and it collects as the base of the absorption tower. How is it concentrated then? By boiling it. Constant boiling mixture is obtained 121 degrees Celsius में. And then it is further distilled with concentrated H2SO4 under reduced pressure and it results in formation, then fuming nitric acid is formed. ওই করে ওটাকে মুছেও দিবি, হ্যাঁ।
ভালো লাগবে না।
একটু তাড়াতাড়ি